Hi, I'm Jim McCann with Shopsmith. Renee is going to help me today. You will need a helper for this. We're going to show you how to remove old weight tubes and replace them with new weight tubes. Need just a few simple tools. You're going to need your 5/32 Allen wrench. You're going to need a tape measure. You need a couple scraps of wood. This is a 2x6, 2x4 will work, 2x10, and a straight edge of some sort, just a straight piece of wood. We're just going to level the tables out. First thing we need to do is loosen the set screws that hold the weight tubes in place. Don't need to remove them, just loosen them. And when these are loose, the weight tubes will slide out. Easier to loosen them now with the machine upright than later on with it upside down. We're going to flip the machine over. You need a couple of pieces of cardboard on the floor to protect your tables. So first thing, the headstock is going to sit on the 2x4, 2x6, and you need to get the tables at the right height to that 2x4. Now the weight of the machine will be supported upside down on the tables and on this block of wood. The cardboard is there to protect your tables. The table's just a little bit high. And the cardboard needs to be positioned at the right point so that when you turn it over, the tables end up on the cardboard. The magic dimension is 33 inches from the end of the machine. And we'll need to put the block of wood right in the middle of the cardboard to catch the headstock. Won't need the straight edge or the tape measure, the Allen wrench until later. Renee, come in and help me flip this over. Like I said before, you'll need a helper. Now put your foot next to the end of the machine. That'll keep it from sliding. As we just roll it over, you don't have to pick it up. The trick is to not drop it. Now it's sitting on the back rails, and we'll just roll it on over, pick it up by the legs. And the headstock is sitting right on that 2x4. Looks good. All right, the next step, Renee, stay with us. We'll loosen these knobs that hold the base onto the base arms. And Renee and I will pick it up and set it back down. Lift straight up and roll it over. Perfect. Thanks, Renee. You're welcome. Now, with the set screws loose, we'll be able to slide off this right base arm and slide out the weight tube. Got to make sure that the locks are loose because they hold it in place as well. Comes out just that easy. Then we get one of the new weight tubes, unwrap it, and slide it in. Everything lines up. And you want to rotate the weight tube so it slides the easiest, then everything will slide on it very easy. Now, this weight tube has the rubber stop bumper on it. Just set it up there for convenience. Grab the second way tube, unwrap it, and slide it in. Don't forget the rubber stopper, bumper. Everything slides right through. Rotate the tube so it slides easiest. And push it all the way into this base arm. Now, first base arm goes on. Everything has to be lined up and straight. And then push from the center. It'll slide on. Now this will be too close together. Come on in, Renee. What the challenge is now is to align this rod with this slot. So Renee, when you're flipping it over, look down the front side of the machine and line up the end of that rod with those slots. Ready?
Yes.
What do you do? You put your side in first. Lower towards you. No, that's on the knob. Pick it up. There it goes, perfect. Now, mine doesn't go in because this space on, leave yours alone, is a little bit close together. But as soon as there it goes. Just drop right in. Lock the knob on both sides. We're ready to turn it over. Just lay it down, no need to pick it up. Now lift, 1, 2, 3, go. Now the machine's back upright again. Last thing to do is to tighten the 4 Allen screws. They only have to be quarter turn tight after they're snuck down. They're touching, quarter turn, touching, and a quarter turn. That's all there is to changing the weight tubes on the Mark 7.